Welcome. Let's talk about how the MuleSoft log can be forwarded to DataDog. From MuleSoft team, we have this very detailed article, and I will share this link in this video's description. And this walks us through the whole process step by step. Very easy to follow. And only one appender, which is defined here, we are supposed to add in log4j file. And once the appender is added here, the complete log4j is displayed. And we can also see, in addition to adding the appender, we are supposed to add our data log appender in here under loggers section. So only one change to what is mentioned in here, the DataDog API URL. They are referring to v1 API, and if we go to DataDog API page, DataDog has released v2, so it might be better if we use this v2, the latest API from DataDog. So these are the steps we are supposed to follow. And if I take you back to Mule page, the DD API key, that's the key we are supposed to grab from DataDog. And I can show you from where you can get this key. If we go to our account, and under account in organization settings, we have this API key section. So here, that's the key. So we would need this key to use in our log4j config file. Only one thing, DataDog lets you create a trial account. I think it's for 2 weeks. But if you use your personal account, it will let you create the account, the trial account, but the key won't be functional, and the key won't work for you. At least that's what I experienced. So if you use your corporate account for creating trial on DataDog, that should work. So just something you might face. Okay, let me show you the demo application, and nothing special in demo application, everything same. And I'm going to add a link to this page also in this video's description. So let's go to Anypoint Studio, and what I showed you there, that's all added here in log4j config file. So the URL you see, it's v2 logs, and then the host and a couple of query parameters added here. The last one is tags. So tags like add dimensionality to your log, and I have added 2 tags here, comma as a separator if you are adding multiple tags, and you can add as many as you want. And then these 2 are header parameters, content type, and second one is API key. And then we have JSON layout. You can use pattern layout as well, but obviously JSON layout will give structure to your log. And just in case if you want to have nested JSON elements in here, let's assume you want to add these app name, app version, app type under app element. You can do simply that, and interpreter will take care of making them nested under app attribute. So that's very simple to introduce nesting in your JSON layout. So I will just leave it as it is, and let me initiate a call to this API. All this API is doing, just receiving the message, constructing a payload, and logging into DataDog. You don't have to do anything special about the log component. You will simply drop log component onto your canvas and add anything you want. I have added payload in here. And if I initiate the call from Postman, and here is the call. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong window. Here is the call. and the response received. Let's go to Postman. Sorry, let's go to DataDog, and in DataDog under logs search, let's see if we have anything logged. Time is 3:01 right now, and this is 3:01, and we can see log to DataDog, so I can see all my stuff in here. The tags are added over here. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you very much for watching.